Welcome to the world of long pepper, an ancient spice with a modern appeal. This unique spice, cherished for its distinct flavor and myriad health benefits, has a history steeped in the healing traditions of Ayurvedic medicine. The cultivation of long pepper is a testament to the time-honored practices that have been passed down through generations. Now that we've delved into the history of long pepper, it's time to explore its journey from the field to your plate. Long pepper's journey begins in the fields, where it's carefully harvested and prepared for use. This ancient spice, with its unique, elongated shape, thrives in the tropical climates of India, Indonesia, and Malaysia. Harvesting is a labor-intensive process, often done by hand to preserve the delicate fruit. Once harvested, the long pepper is set out to dry under the sun. The warm, tropical sun gently dries the pepper over several days, enhancing its spicy and aromatic qualities. This drying process is crucial as it allows the pepper to develop its complex flavor profile, characterized by a deep, spicy heat and subtle sweetness. Once fully dried, the long pepper is ready for the next stage, grinding. It's ground into a fine powder, ready to be used in various culinary delights or for its multiple health benefits. Now that we've seen how long pepper is processed, let's discover its health benefits and culinary uses. Long pepper isn't just a spice. It's a powerhouse of health benefits. This ancient ingredient has been championed in Ayurvedic medicine for its digestive properties, stimulating appetite and easing gastrointestinal issues. The piperine compound in long pepper displays anti-inflammatory attributes, potentially reducing inflammation and pain. Not to mention, it's known for its expectorant properties, making it beneficial for respiratory conditions like coughs and bronchitis. Beyond its health advantages, long pepper is a culinary delight. Its distinctive, spicy flavor adds a unique touch to dishes, especially in Indian and Southeast Asian cuisines. Imagine a traditional Indian curry or an Indonesian rendang, the flavors heightened by the addition of long pepper. This spice can truly transform a meal, infusing it with a depth and complexity that's hard to achieve with other ingredients. As we've seen, long pepper is a versatile spice that can add a kick to your dishes while boosting your health. Now that we've learned about long pepper's unique qualities, it's time to bring this ancient spice into your kitchen. How about starting with a long pepper-infused curry or a spicy marinade for your next barbecue? Storing it is simple. Keep it in an airtight container, away from heat and light. And remember, a little goes a long way with this potent spice. Make it a staple in your spice rack and let your culinary creativity flow. So, awaken your taste buds and explore the health benefits of long pepper. Happy cooking!